Hi guys, today we are going to talk about JioMeet. So JioMeet is a free application launched by Jio to counter Zoom and Google Meet and Microsoft Teams. So you can chat with 100 people at a time, and that is totally free of cost. To download it, go to Google Play and type in JioMeet. Once you do that, you will be taken to a page and you can simply click on install. Once it gets installed, so there are three options that you will see. One is join meeting, sign up and sign in. So I'll show you how it is done. So first click on join a meeting. To see if you have an ID, you can simply join a meeting. Here you can change your name. You can check with audio and video with the option that you would want to keep. Then to sign up, all you need to do is type in your email ID, your mobile number, first name and last name. As you do that, you will receive a confirmation email or a text message from Jio to confirm your email ID and your mobile number. So I'll show you how it is done. Type in my name and I agree to the conditions. Click on next and then I receive an email. So this is the email that I've received. Once I click on it, so there's a verify button that we see here. When I click on it, it will take me to the website wherein I need to type my password here. Password needs to be a strong one, so strong password needs conditions to be fulfilled. I'll show you the conditions as well. So these are the conditions. As you start typing, it will show you the conditions. The ones in so all need to be green to get your account up and running. So as I fill in this and continue, so my account is verified now. I can simply go back to the application now and start with signing in. So to sign in, I click on sign in, enter my email ID, click on proceed, and then I need to enter my password here. Once I'm signed in, it will take me to a screen. So it asks for access to my contacts. Then I can click on meeting, so join a meeting, schedule a meeting and share the screen. Below this on the bottom of that, you can see other options as well. To start a meeting, you simply click on new meeting and then you on the red button there, and then you can check for the options here and then start a meeting. Coming on to next, so to start a meeting, it will ask you certain access. Once it is access, hi guys, this is me, and so these are the certain options that are available. So you can hide your video, you can mute, and then you can check for certain other options as well. This is from top top left corner. When I click this, I'll get this option. Now you can share the screen as well. You can check for the participants, and you can have a certain chat option as well. So this is a list of participants that I will see here once the meeting is started, and there are a lot of participants here. I can share the link of the meeting as well. With using this too, I can invite people to the meeting. Then coming back to it, there's a chat option as well. As I write the chat, so this is a public chat room, so everybody in the meeting will be able to see this. Right, moving on to next. So we'll be ending the chat here, and then I'll show you how to join a meeting. So again, you can type in. So this is a 10-digit number that you need to write to access the meeting. Once you write in, you can change the name as well. And then you can click on join the meeting or check for the option if you would want to keep your audio on or your video on. Right, you can play around with this and you can simply join a meeting. Then coming out to schedule, so you can schedule a meeting in future, and so you can this is the agenda of the meeting that you would like. Then you can select the date, you can select the time period. So by default it gives you a half-hour time period to be set. Then time zone, for now it is India only, and if you want to repeat a meeting, so right now the option is not available. Then there are meeting options as well. Only host video on, participant video on, waiting room has to be enabled or not, guests are allowed or not. And then when I click on automatic record meeting, so it tells me that it is not available right now. I can add to the calendar as well. Now the meeting has been okayed, and I can share the link of the meeting with my future participants. And then I can simply delete the meeting if I do not want that. Then clicking on below, I can like on the top right, so share a screen. So it tells me that I need to read the meeting ID to get that running. Then if we go to contacts here, so in contacts you will see start contact, phone contact. So everybody in your phone contact list who is having a JioMeet will be accessed here, can be accessed here. Start are the ones that you will mark as start, and then you can create groups as well. So your friends group, your business group, you can do that. You can even add a contact and create a group yourself. So this is my profile page. You can change your profile picture, your display name, and all the other options that you would want. Then this is a about section of the application, and when we click on help, so this is what we get. So this pretty much clears every doubt that you may have. So you can click here, you can check if there's anything that you would want to know more about it. So this is pretty much all about JioMeet, guys. Thank you so much for watching.